verdict of the July.
I'm not fully satisfied with the delivery of the judgment because I expected all of the three peoples who are accused, they will be given sentence they will be given punishment to be hanged till the death. But one of them, who was former IGP, he was given sentence of 5 years imprisonment. So we at least expect him to be imprisonment until his death. So this is our reaction. We will all of the families of martyrs and injured peoples will go to the higher court and will appeal for this decision.
So what do you think about the implementation of the judgment? What is your opinion?
The main part comes now after the judgment. So the people who are not in the country, they should be bring as soon as possible to this country, and they should be face trial. And the fascist Hasina and the fascist former Home Minister should be bring to this country as soon as possible, and their judgment need to be executed.